Well, now it is time to discuss the environmental impacts.
Wow, there is a lot to say about this.
Yes, there is a lot. Way too much for us to cover quickly, so we will just cover the general issues that arose in this section.
Sounds good. I will start. In the section on the atmospheric environment, they miss several key points. They did not look at all at the impacts of noise on terrestrial and aquatic animals. They also ignore the results of the model that concluded they exceeded allowable sulfur dioxide levels because they said it was too conservative.
They were much better at assessing the potential impacts on the soil and terrestrial environment. They were very thorough in studying impacts on vegetation, and they determined mitigation measures they could take for each impact.
It was kind of strange what they did with the section on wildlife and wildlife habitats. They were very good at compiling a complete list of all possible and potential impacts, but then they did not follow through and actually determine mitigation measures for all impacts. Even important ones like habitat fragmentation were left mentioned but unaddressed.
They were able to address many of the potential impacts on the freshwater environment and fisheries, though they rarely discussed the severity of impacts, which meant the sufficiency of the mitigation measures could not always be confirmed.
Lastly, they assessed potential impacts on the marine environment and animals. Once again, they proved good at noting what potential impacts existed, but they struggled at addressing everyone and ensuring that mitigation measures would be in place to address them.
I guess it is kind of like running a race. They start off really good, but then they slow down and trip halfway through.